So, most times, a lot of you ask me how you can apply, search for school in Poland. So, I will be doing series of videos on how to look for school in Poland, right? So, mostly I will use the first popular government website, which is study.gov.pl. So, this is popular government website where you see lot of schools in Poland. So here you can be able to browse schools, all the schools in Poland, and find majority of the schools. So when you browse the schools, for example, you want to go for undergraduate and you're looking for schools. So this particular website will guide you to most of the schools in Poland. So what you need to do is you come here, you choose your interest, whether it is agriculture, arts, biology, humanities, medical, social sciences, and technology sciences. But if you are not sure, you want to be a big brother and open your search more wider. So what you need to do is you just leave the area and choose whether you want bachelor degree, master's degree, long cycle master's program, which is you want to study from bachelor direct to masters, right? And you want to do PhD or non-degree program like diplomas. So most time diplomas are for it's not popular, right? All these postgraduate diploma, most of the weekend programs. But let's focus on those that want to go for bachelor. You select the language of instruction. So I'm going to select English and you click on go. So this will give you courses, schools around bachelor degree programs, right? So what you need to do is if in most cases, for example, let me use this school as example, Jan Kochonovsky University. Um, if you click on it like this, decide that one it does not work, right? So I'm going to close this back. So Mete Whoosh University of Technology. If I click on it, the website will open. Right. So Whoosh Technology, it will open the page for Whoosh Technology. While that is open, I can be checking other schools. Right. So let's say University of Warsaw. Yeah. Warsaw University of Technology is there. So most of these links are connected to the schools in most cases. So this is the Whoosh University of Technology. So let's use this school as an example. So what do we do here? Um, as an international student who wants to apply, so your focus should be around candidates or graduate program, depends on what you are looking for, and PhD. So in this case, candidate means someone that wants to apply. You understand? So I will just choose here, apply for first and second cycle studies. So I click here. It's going to give me information about the programs, when it's going to be opened, and every other necessary information. So to ask another question, I have whether if you have Polish citizenship or not, right? So I do not have Polish citizenship. So this is the programs, right? So admission for this particular school right now will open in 16 days. In 16 days, this program will open. Okay, it's already open. Oh, interesting. So the admission is open for 16 days. So it opened since 4th of February and it's closed on 3rd of March. So these are courses available for the programs. Apply mathematics, apply management, automation and robotics. So these are programs open. This is second cycle. So this is for masters. This is first cycle. This is for undergraduate. And this is for undergraduate as well. So what you need to do, you need to check the requirement. Either you open the program to check for the requirements. You understand? You can open the program to check for the requirement, or it depends on what you want. But in most cases, I go on enrollment to understand what are the requirements, or you check the required documents to apply for school here, right? So the required documents will be listed here for you. So bachelor degree. So this is required documents. Required documents for bachelor degree. Required document for master's application. And you see the information about the legalization. You see? So you read about this information before you apply. So at the same time, you can also try to check the deadlines. You can check the deadlines as well. So deadline is March. The admission deadline for bachelor degree program in 2025-2026 academic year will be published in March. So they will soon close. That for first cycle. Second cycle, first round, second round, that's admission batches they have. So um, you go back to find tuition fee and scholarship. So this is the fee and scholarship, what it will cost. So you see the application fee for first degree is 150 PLN, right? For those studying architecture, design, advanced design and technology. So while others are 85 PLN. That for bachelor. And tuition fee for this bachelor is 4,300 zloty per semester. So this is first cycle bachelor, 7,000 plus. You see, you find those programs that are in English, you can be able to find out the cost and everything. You see it under here. These things are important to check before you apply so you don't throw away money. You understand? So this is for masters. The same thing for bachelor degree program. It require an interview, entrance interview, which require entrance interview. So you're going to pay 100 PLN. While other programs um you pay 5 PLN. So tuition fee applicable as well. You see, so you check the cost, the program, and know how much they are charging for the school fees. Then you check on first installment payments. So they bring all the whole information you need. So if you feel that you are comfortable with what the school is offering or the course, you now hit apply to apply for the program. So this is how to check for school. So I'll try as much as possible to be opening each of the schools in Poland so you can be able to know how to apply them by yourself, how to search for the schools. You can put the school out from here. You can put the schools out from here. If not, if you click and it's not opening, you can just copy the school name. For example, this one did not open. I can just copy the school name. I copy the school name. I open a new page and I paste it here. So the school name is here right now. I can now open it. I can open the school entirely. Then when it opens, I click on the information I needed for students. This for students. You see about their dormitory. This for studies, English language programs. So, for example, these courses that will be offered in English: data engineering, biotechnology, medicine, scavenging stuff. So, if you want to study here, so these are courses you can be able to study in this school, right? In English. So, field of studies: first cycle, second cycle, um, um, long cycle. That is master's degree. That is what is it? Master's degree straightforward. So information for foreigner, this is also important. You see, they also talk about legalization. You check about the fees to know what you are paying. I also check about the deadlines. You see, with allow. No, this take me out from the former site. No, that's virus. So that's that looks wrong. So back to these schools, you can see schools need to payments you need to make as well. So this happen each of the schools. So you can still go back here. You check courses that are related to what you are looking for. Let me say I'm looking for something around agriculture. I check this program, this American Studies, Animal Husbandry, Architecture. I'm looking for a course. It is not there. I move to the next page. I'm checking, and checking for any course that is. This is biotechnology for Celestial University. You understand? So this is a bachelor program. This is keep going. This is WSB Merito University. They have business administration and finance. I keep going. Business informatics. Right. So business informatics is available at this school. This school is in Lublin. So I can copy this school, come here, paste it here, and open it. So Maria Korea Skovska University. I don't have to pronounce that name. So when you can click here to open it, or you click on the main page of the web of the school to open the program. So this is the courses they have. You can choose English as your language so that it will be for you to. Okay, it's in English already. So you do not look for most times you look for applicants. So it could be you can be you can click on candidates or click on applicants or click on incoming students. So it depends on the one. So studies in English, you can be able to see program they are offering in English, right? So this is the program they offer in English. Either you choose for bachelor or masters. So for example, this program they offer in English for bachelor admission opens April 2025. So this for October intake. So these are the courses: MSc Chemistry, Graphic Arts, and Molecular Biology, International Relations, Business Analytics and Data Science, IT Cybersecurity, Public History and International Studies. So this looks like a new program. You can apply. It looks like a new program. So for example, I have interest in international relations. That's my discipline. So let me use this as an example. When I click on it, it will give me more insight about the program. So this is the pay for international relations. So faculty of this is the building. Actually, it looks beautiful. So program profile. You see about the program here. It's a 2 years It's a 2 years master degree program, 4 semester, taught in English. Total is ECTS is 120. And you can see the course content because I found that recently embassy used to ask about these questions to make sure you understand what you want to study. So after that, you check admission criteria to know if you qualify for it. You see, program is and tuition fee paying. So this tuition fee pay are open to need pay. So you see the amount of the tuition fee. But the application fee here is 85 zloty. You understand? That's 85 for the application fee. This African English language scale. So they check if you are qualified. If you have qualified to let me open it. If you are qualified to take the course without an interview, right? So this is the enrollment early bird enrollment to non-PLN for application fee or 23 euro. So that has gotten value. It used to be 20. It used to be 20. So you can click on this. This is a program tuition fee for each. Let's say tuition fee for MT IT cyber security. First year 3,520. Second year, that is first semester and second semester, 3,520 euro. While your third semester and fourth semester you pay So total fee now is about 3,000, 6,800 and total fee for the program is 6,820. You see, and I believe this particular course will have internship. So there's also masters in data analytic and business. So you see, this is cheap. You're actually paying around 1,500 for this. You see, 1,500, 1,250 per semester, 1,250 per semester. So this one, 5,000 euro, we sort this for you. So please come to Poland. It's a very wonderful country. I understand that getting a visa is becoming difficult to this country, but if you show commitment and find your way here, it's worth it. This is a very beautiful country. Don't mind what people say outside. Every country has their own challenges. I believe Poland is unique. Poland is a good place. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.